Alrighty, guys, time to do another update here on Mangoceuticals. Their ticker symbol is MGRX. I want to break down their charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do with this stock, and we'll break down some recent news, maybe do a refresher here on the company. So if y'all find value, hit that like button, make sure to subscribe, and guys, you might as well follow me on X as well, at Stocks Talk Stocks, link down below. And with that being said, cheers, let's dive right into the video. So I covered them about, I think, a week ago. So let's do another update on MGRX as we are at, or in rather, the pre-market right now. So it's been at 30 cents for a couple of days, and actually yesterday during trading it was hovering at around 30 cents as well. So you guys probably remember during the last update we were talking about how there's been consolidation. Well, there's still consolidation, guys. We've still been consolidating at that 25, really about 28 cent level to about 30, 32 cent level. That's where we've been over the past couple of days. You can see it on the 5-day, 5-minute chart right here. Boom. Tight range we've been trading in. And on the 10-day chart, you can see it as well. Let's pull it up. We had that sell-off here, which opened up, has opened up an opportunity, in my opinion, potentially, right? That happened about a week and a half ago. Then we've been consolidating since. So at this point, guys, I'm waiting for Mangoceuticals, again, the ticker is MGRX, to essentially pick direction, right? Because we've had, let's count these days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days of consolidation. Let's see if we do end up now breaking out, as we can see on this 20-day chart, maybe actually on the 4-hour chart. Let me pull the 4-hour chart up. You guys can see we're now at the bottom of this downwards channel. If I pull it up and show you guys, let me draw this out. Boom, come on, doesn't want to work today. There we go. So we can see right now we're more towards the bottom of this channel, right? We can see each time, if I zoom in a bit here with the circle tool, each time we've pulled back a little bit towards the bottom of the channel, we have seen relief rallies time and time again. You can see it right here. Boom. You can see it right there. You can see it right here. And yet again, here we are at the bottom of the channel, consolidating for the past 7-8 days, waiting for that potential rebound. Now, is it guaranteed? Is it for sure going to come and happen? No, it's not guaranteed, guys. We don't know exactly what is going to happen with this one, but it's on the radar, and I think you should add it to your watch list as well. Again, MGRX is the ticker. So in an ideal world, in a perfect world, the way this would play out would be if it were to rally something like this, right? Maybe towards the 180 moving average, being in the mid 50 cent range, 55 cents. Maybe it breaks that, starts running towards 60, 70 cents. That'd be the top of this channel. That's kind of what I'm watching out for here in the short term, very short term here when it comes to the charts, right? So yeah, it's been beaten down, no doubt about it, but I think this could be opening up for an opportunity, maybe a short-term play here with MGRX. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about the charts, guys, and let's quickly go over now to the Safari tab so we can do a quick breakdown for those of you guys that may or may not remember what the company does, some recent news, yada, yada, yada. So Mangoceuticals, you guys can see here, Mangoceuticals Inc. develops, markets, and sells various men's wellness products and services through a telemedicine platform in the United States, and their main product is an ED product, and they've now actually brought in a hair regrowth product called Mango Grow. You guys can see those are the two main brand names. You got Mango, the ED product, then you have Mango Grow, and there's obviously some other things in the works, in the pipelines right now, or in the pipeline for this company. So that's a quick breakdown on what they actually do for those of you guys maybe that have missed the previous videos. We've done a couple updates on this company. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown on what they do. And really, their slogan is Man Go. So think about it. Mango, you got the fruit, right? But then you have Man Go for the ED product, which I think is pretty clever there, if you ask me, guys. Then we have here the recent news that we got about 2 weeks ago, a little over 2 weeks ago. Let me actually make sure you guys can see this. You can see this. All right, perfect. Mangoceuticals to introduce Prime, which is powered by Kizatrex. This is actually a product that is actually going for an FDA approval. It's an oral testosterone replacement therapy product, TRT. You guys probably know TRT. Maybe not. It's actually getting very popular over the past couple of years, and clearly Mangoceuticals sees opportunity in that market. So you guys can see Mangoceuticals, again, is a company focused on developing, marketing, selling a variety of men's health and wellness products, yada, yada, yada. We talked about that already. Let me actually pull my face here to the bottom right, guys. There we go. So we can see that these are including their uniquely formulated hair growth product, Grow, and ED drug, Mango, and they're excited now to announce that they've entered into a marketing agreement with Marius Pharmaceuticals to market and sell Kizatrex, which is an innovative FDA-approved oral testosterone replacement therapy product under the program Prime by Mango RX. And Prime will be available on Mango RX's telemedicine platform with an anticipated launch date of January 31st, 2024, which, guys, we're getting there. We're about a month away from that, so that's going to be something worth watching when it comes down to Mangoceuticals. And another reason why you need to add MGRX onto your watch list, guys. And Kizatrex, a prescription drug that is used to treat adult men who have low or no testosterone levels due to certain medical conditions, is one of the only 3 FDA-approved TRT treatments that is delivered orally, as opposed to the traditional invasive and inconvenient injection-based drug delivery protocol. And Kizatrex delivers testosterone in a soft gel capsule that is absorbed primarily via the lymphatic system, avoiding liver toxicity. So that's a big piece of news here for the company. Again, it's coming out. I think it's launching again January 31st. So about a month away from me making this video. And like I said, guys, they've recently launched their Grow product here, which is the, let's see here, the custom compounded hair growth treatment, which combines 4 clinically proven hair growth products, minoxidil, finasteride, vitamin D3, and of course biotin, and that's encapsulated in convenient chewable mint-flavored tablets. And the product, of course, is now available for delivery by prescription through their website, Mango RX's website. And the launch of Grow signifies a giant step in the company's overall progress and mission to provide their customers with custom and innovative products and solutions under the Mango RX brand, said Jacob Cohen, Mango RX's co-founder and CEO. So that's big news, guys. A lot is going on with this company. The oral TRT, marketing agreement product they have going on here, launching in a month. That's big. Of course, the staple product, the Mango ED product, and now we have the hair product. What's next, guys? That's the main question. What's next here? They're launching a bunch of things here heading into 2024, which is a good sign fundamentally overall for the company, at least in my humble opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. As always, let me quickly come back here to the charts and show you guys again what I'm looking at. So we're now at the bottom of the channel, like I said earlier in the video, and in a nutshell, let's see what direction we pick. Do we break back out towards the top of the channel? Maybe we have a little more downside, maybe another leg down, excuse me, maybe down to 20 cents before we then see another pop. Either way, guys, add them to your watch list. MGRX, Mangoceuticals. I'm not a financial advisor, by the way. I'm not telling you to go buy this stock. I own 0 shares of the stock myself, so please do your own research, guys. And with that being said, I'll catch you all in the next video.